everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're doing more cutting today. Let's dive right into it.
Got a bunch of nothing. I see why they been so easy.
How heavy is it?
Flimsy.
Yeah, that's super flimsy.
Ain't nothing there on the body.
Like
that. It ain't just that.
Which, I mean, you lift this up.
Yeah, this is gonna be. That's a whole lot. And move it forward and bring it right on and put your radiator under it.
Yeah. So the plan is we're going to try to, I guess the term would be countersink Alex's radiator to sit underneath the core support. Will give more room for the Pro Charger's inlet tube. Let's see here.
The radiator cap.
Yeah, that cap's gonna be in the way. So that's kind of the idea. But that's gonna give you probably another what, 2 inch, 2.5 inch?
2.5 at most.
Yeah.
I can cut that out to open the cap. I'm not worried about that.
Yeah, we can trim that. That's not a big deal. But so essentially the radiator is gonna sit under the core support instead of in front of it. I'm just gonna make plumbing the Pro Charger a whole lot easier.
Yeah, it's gonna be counter flush right there.
Yeah, so we could just trim this.
Yeah, I can notch. I cut all of that right.
Yeah, you really could.
Yeah, I can just cut up here even and take this out.
Yep.
Turn the cap.
Sure enough. So that is how you put an S550 Pro Charger in a Fox body. Yeah, hold that up there. So this is the MAF Racing tubular core.
Parts here.
Yeah, right, exactly. So that is the MAF Racing tubular core support. It's already got the little pedestals for the radiator. But really, that's going to give you, what'd you say, 2 3/4 inch?
It's going to be 2 1/4 inch
further forward. So it'll give plenty of room.
Let's run a 3 3/4 inch tube, Colary take tube.
Right. So that's going to solve all the clearance issues. But yeah, hit up MAF Racing, boys. These things are awesome. They also have the tubular bumper for the front as well, which is going to cut pretty good amount of weight off the front end. I love it. Alright, so if you didn't know what we were talking about as far as the tubular upper bumper, this is it here. And when you're doing the upper and the lower, that's going to give a ton of room to run all the hot and, well, not turbo, but you know what I mean, discharge and everything tube for the Pro Charger. Boys, we'll take a little break from all the Fox body stuff. Oh yeah, dude, we just need to do an engine swap on this one. Chopping down trees, ain't it? Yeah. He's a killer. Badass old truck. Ain't nothing quite as cool as an old look farm truck sitting there chopping down trees.
Yeah. Needs some tweaking.
Yeah, a little tweaking. Badass old truck. And we got Brente's truck all tuned up.
Hey, Brent,
What's up?
I don't know why you didn't want my $200 wire.
Alex Alex is in a mood today, man. I'm telling you.
He's flying off the handle.
Dude, you got the MSD coil now. You got the Ford racing wires.
A whole 8 horsepower.
Yeah. That's all right. Hey, we need to bump the timing up, you know?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, he wanted me to check the time.
Yeah, let's bump the timing up.
We'll check it.
That seafoam in there bump it up 2 horse.
So the word is you're gonna race Brente in his
I'm
truck.
finna drag.
I didn't bring my lawnmower today. I left my lawnmower at home.
I'm finna drag.
I told you, Alex is tearing him up today. He's not playing. Oh, this thing definitely run better though.
I'm gonna kick the deck in, mow the road, and outrun you at the same time.
Oh, Bill, got the 6-0 making noise.
I might have the sun.
Uh-oh. All right, guys, real quick. I know we've been talking about we're gonna have the full T5 to AOD swap of Pop's car shortly, but pretty much got all the parts off of the convertible, so that will not be long. Kind of excited about it. Maybe the wife will actually get Pop's car out and drive it. But yeah, guys, we got all kinds of manner of things and stuff going on. It's sometimes hard to keep up. So sorry we're a little bit all over the place, but again, guys, trying to keep a little bit of variety coming for you. Keep it tuned. First fire of Adam's truck very soon. We're gonna put boost on Renard's car, auto swap on this car, Alex's car. Yeah, we got a lot. So I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you're subscribed. I appreciate the thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next one.